charged members to take advantage of the party's solid structure with a presence at local and ward levels across the state.
So some of these people you call political parties are just some people who are looking for food, or who actually do not even have the party to mobilize and get set for elections. I'm not surprised when they say they have adopted the governor because they live on peanuts. But for me, as you are sure aware now, after I left IPAC as the chairman, we've tried to reorganize IPAC. Every attempt we did failed. We have about 40 registered political parties. And as we speak now, if you go around Anambra State, you see that is about less than 5-6 political parties have party offices at the state level.
Members expressed optimism.
The youths, as we said, they are the leaders of tomorrow, and if the state is supposed to move forward, if the state should move forward, they need to carry the youth along. So their program, both in sports development, that we want for the state.
Well, on the area of youth, I would say that most of the youth in Anambra State are not happy. They see themselves today. That area alone is an area that I know federal government is not doing anything good. And it's an area that needs to be worked on.
Create the impression that you are ready, so that people can come. So they are working. They are working. I'm impressed with what their leaders have told other people. Go home. Everything begins and ends at what level. Go and deliver the party at their walls. Then the party will move.
Secretary to the party, Carl Mbanefo, also addressed journalists in this regard.
That improve the economic status of Anambra State from what it is now to what it used to be. We should realize that Onitsha was the financial nerve of old Anambra. So I believe strongly that if we get it right this time, Anambra will go to greater heights.